Because I know a lot of people are new juicers. He actually was a pro FPS player.
Yeah, but I played the character that didn't do FPS things. He just kind of did.
Yeah, but
Winston?
the reason he was the best was because everyone else
Wait,
who played
actually?
Winston,
Yeah,
everyone
I
else who
played
played Winston got lazy. They never practiced
Wait, you
their
popped
aim.
off on Winston?
But
Yeah,
even though he was a Winston main, he practiced his aim because he was that dedicated.
Yeah,
that's
true.
why he was the best.
Yeah,
I
played
love
Lord.
playing
It's like-
Winston because you don't have to aim.
Yep. Yeah.
That's what the average.
That's
Winston
not what I
player
played him
does.
for, obviously. But...
Like he would practice his aim anyway. Just
Wait,
'cause,
we should
like, he
play
was just,
Overwatch one day.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
oh, oh,
Oh no.
One
they
time,
don't
one
want
time.
that.